7.1 question number 6. In this question we are given 4 points and we have to determine which type of quadrilateral is formed by joining these 4 points, and also we have to give reasons for the answer. In this question we shall use distance formula and find out the sides of the quadrilateral. Also we shall, if required, find the diagonals of the quadrilateral, and based on the sides of the quadrilateral and lengths of the diagonals of the quadrilateral, we shall decide which type of quadrilateral is formed by these 4 given points in the question. So question number 6, first part, 4 points are given like this, and let these 4 points be A minus 1 comma minus 2, B 1 comma 0, C minus 1 comma 2, and D minus 3 comma 0. Be the 4 given points. Using distance formula, we have AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula. Distance between 2 given points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Here we are going to find out AB. So coordinates of point A will be x1, y1, and coordinates of point B will be x2, y2. x2 minus x1, x2 is 1, x2 is minus 1. So 1 minus in the formula, x1 is minus 1, so minus minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus y2 is 0, minus in the formula, and minus 2, so plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 1, 2 square, plus 2 square equal to 4 plus 4, 8, which you can write 4 into 2 and 2 root 2, we have got AB, 2 root 2. Similarly, BC is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. So minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. This is under root minus 2 square plus 2 square. This is also 4 plus 4, 8. 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So this is BC. CD now. Under root third side CD. Minus 1, 2 is like x1, y1, minus 3, 0 like x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, minus 3 minus minus 1 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus y2 is 0, y1 is 2. So 0 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square 4 plus minus 2 whole square 4, 4 plus 4 8, under root 8 is equal to 2 under root 2. Now dA, fourth side, minus 3 minus minus plus 1 whole square. 0 plus 2 whole square, under root minus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 8 2 root 2. So AB, BC, CD and DA we have found, calculated, and we have got same value 2 root 2. So all four sides of this quadrilateral ABCD are equal. So it can be a square also, it can be a rhombus also. So only based on four equal sides, clearly we cannot decide whether this quadrilateral is a square or it is a rhombus. So let us calculate diagonals. Based on diagonals of this quadrilateral whose four sides are equal, we can decide whether this quadrilateral is a square or it is a rhombus. If diagonals are equal along with four equal sides, then it will be a square. If diagonals are unequal with four equal sides, then this quadrilateral will be a rhombus. So now diagonal AC. x1 y1 coordinates of A minus 1 minus 2 and x2 y2 coordinates of point C minus 1 2. So minus 1 minus minus plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus minus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 whole square. This is under root 0 square plus 4 square, so 4 unit. And diagonal, next second diagonal BD is equal to coordinates of B x1 y1, coordinates of D x2 y2. So minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. This is under root minus 4 square plus 0 square is 4 units. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and AC is equal to BD. All four sides are equal and diagonals AC and BD are also equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Hence, points minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0 minus 1 comma 2 minus 3 comma 0 forms I square. Question number 6, now second part. In this part also we are given 4 points and we have to name the type of quadrilateral formed if any, and also give reasons for the answer. So here also in this part, using let the given points be A minus 3 comma 5, B 3 comma 1, C 0 comma 3 and D minus 1 comma minus 4 be the given points. So using distance formula, we have AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Coordinates of point A minus 3 comma 5 are x1 y1. Coordinates of point B are x2 y2. So 3 minus minus 3, x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus 5 whole square, and this is 6 square plus minus 4 square. 6 square 36 plus minus 4 square 16. This is equal to under root 52, which can be written as 2 under root 13 units. So AB is 2 under root 13. Now BC, under root x2 minus x1 whole square. So 0 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square equal to under root 0 minus 3 whole square 9 plus 3 minus 1 2 whole square 4 under root 13 units. Now AC, under root coordinates of point A minus 3 5 are x1 y1, coordinates of point C 0 comma 3 x2 y2. We have to find AC. So 0 minus minus plus 3, 0 plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 whole square. This is equal to under root 3 square 9 plus minus 2 whole square 4 तो 9 plus 4 13 under root 13. AB we have got 2 under root 13, BC we have got under root 13 and AC we have got under root 13. So here AC plus BC is equal to under root 13 plus under root 13 is equal to 2 under root 13, which is equal to AB. That is AC plus BC is equal to AC. Therefore, points A, C and B are collinear. Of 4 given points, 3 points A, C and B are collinear. This may be the situation. This point is A, this point is C and let this point be B. So this AC plus BC is equal to AB. So this situation, in this situation we can say that points A, C and B are collinear, and therefore 4 given points -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3, -1, -4 do not form a quadrilateral. Hence, given points -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3 and -1, -4 do not form a quadrilateral.